yung respiratory arrest. Okay? So, start. So, the scene is safe. There's only one victim. I am Paul Jan Siagsunod, a trained first aider. Don't worry, sir, ma'am. I'm here to help the victim. May I?
Yes.
Okay. So, hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay? So, unresponsive. So, please activate medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me while I'm assessing the victim.
Yes, sir.
So, mouth and nose are clear, no signs of obstruction. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So, victim is breathless.
Oh, sorry. Air bounces back.
Reposition, then retilt.
Air still bounces back.
Please reactivate medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me while I'm doing 30 chest compression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1.
Obstruction seen.
Obstruction removed.
Air passes through. Air still passes through.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
The victim is under respiratory arrest.
Please reactivate medical assistance and transfer facilities and report back to me while I'm doing rescue breathing. Ayan ka. Papalabuhay ko na saglit ha. I don't know po eh. Baliktad ata. Wait ha.